Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials, your iPhone unlocked and the passcode in hand. Open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. When prompted, enter your passcode. Once done, you'll see the Face ID and Attention Awareness toggles and an option labeled Require Attention for Face ID or similar. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and remove anything covering your face. From here, you'll either enable Face ID, re-enroll a face, or reveal the passcode entry option during authentication. You'll now modify Face ID visibility and the passcode flow. If Face ID options appear dimmed, disable and re-enable them. This forces the system to refresh visibility. Tap Reset Face ID to remove existing data, then select Set up Face ID to re-enroll, follow on-screen head movements. To let someone else or a different look work, choose Alternate Appearance. Make sure to observe the on-screen oval and keep consistent distance once enrollment finishes. Face ID settings and passcode fallback will finish by locking the phone and testing Face ID. When it fails, the passcode field appears automatically. Enter your passcode to confirm visibility. If Face ID or the passcode option doesn't show, restart the iPhone first, then ensure iOS is up to date. Make sure the true depth camera area is clean and unobstructed. If problems persist, re-enroll Face ID or contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics. Remember, software refreshes often restore hidden settings, whereas hardware faults require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.